So let me show you this quick tip. What happens when people think that their thumbprint reader isn't working when all it is they're not putting their thumb in the right place? Let me show you what I mean. So it often comes up in the App Store. I love the Thumbprint reader rather than having to type in my password. But where it comes in is like I want to get this app and it says Touch ID to install. And people touch their thumb to that red thumbprint and nothing happens. That's because the red thumbprint isn't where you touch your thumb. You touch your thumb onto the home button and the red thumbprint fills in. Now, and yes, they would laugh at themselves when I taught them that, and I would laugh at them too. But actually, I think it really is poor design. That red thumbprint, fingerprint image on the screen, that looks like where you're supposed to put your thumb. So that, don't feel bad if that's you, but that's my one quick tip for the week.